Hey, I'm Tony. I'm the average guy. I've been doing shaving reviews for, I don't know, 6, 7, 8, 9 years now. And I'll tell you what, Elysian Soap Shop has been a revelation. They make the finest artisan soaps and aftershaves and colognes and all kinds of crazy, wonderful, beautiful, smelly stuff for the grooming aficionado that is you. Now look at this. Atlantis Deep.
Atlantis Deep, one of my favorites.
Just a wonderful scent. They come in their signature gold cap tubs, which are larger. So you can get in there. You can use this as the bowl. I love it. Great thinking on their part. Great soaps. Wonderful on the skin. Mild, lovely, easy to lather if you're a newbie getting into the wet shaving game. Their accompanying aftershave splash with each variety of their soap is a must. If you're going to get one, you got to get them both, so you have the essence of their wonderfulness on you all day. Shout out to Shannon and her team for creating great products for us clowns in the wet shaving community. And guys, if you haven't tried them, get over to ElysianSoapShop.com and get you some. And let Shannon and her team know the average guy sent you. Roll the music. Dude.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you away.